Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. Another day, another printing na naman tayo dito na side guys. So, meron tayong ginawa ngayon. It is a t-shirt printing guys. So, t-shirt printing ginagawa sa atin. Pickleball tournament for Kadayawan. First Kadayawan pickle tournament. So, yung ginawa natin yan. So, tingnan nyo ano guys, yung quality of printing nyo guys. Sharp quality tayo dito guys, which is high quality yung design. Yan, napaka sharp ng design. So dito pala natin print sa large format na printer natin guys, kaya marami tayong nalagay na mga na mga printing sizes of printing, kasi yung capacity for printing natin is nasa 72 inches guys. Yan. Yung print ko ngayon yung front area niya, tapos tatlo yung makalagay sa isang linyahan niya guys, ganun. So first, second, third, sunod-sunod na yan. Yan yung nasa software natin guys. Yan. Ito pala ay pickleball tournament this coming Kadayawan dito sa Davao. So, yan. Yan yung ginawa natin ngayon. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe na rin dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. If you have any inquiries, just message us in our Facebook page, which is nandito sa cover photo natin guys dito sa YouTube channel. And if you wanna know more about printing services, kindly visit na lang our YouTube channel. Mayroong mga tutorial doon for beginner na mga printing services guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.